Let's talk about your show reel, your video footage, your sizzle reel. Really doesn't matter what you want to call it. Let's talk about that. People are like, how do I get paid? I want to get paid, right? And I'm doing a whole series on getting paid. And here's what I want you to understand. If you want to get paid to speak, lots of money. We've talked about a purpose, a higher purpose, right? We've talked about your content. We've talked about positioning. If you haven't watched the videos, dial back, watch the videos. We've talked about your image. Now I want to talk about your show reel, your sizzle reel. Here's the thing. Everything I've mentioned is just the basics of getting noticed. Now, to stand above the rest, to be more giraffe, yes, you need to be creative. You need to engineer something that's greater and bigger, right? Now, when it comes to your show reel, it's got to show you off. So the bookers, the people are going to pay, go, I get a real flavor, I get a real taste, I get a real feel for this person. And that's key. It's not about necessarily people laughing at your jokes. It's actually about what is your golden nuggets of information. If you think of a shop window, it's your best stuff to the front that people want to come in and buy more. You don't hold back on your show reel, your sizzle reel, whatever you want to call it. What it does is it completely shows you off in 2 to 3 minutes what you're about and how you deliver that. That is what you need to have. So if you don't have that, get it done. Now, it's completely okay to go in a studio and film one. It's completely okay to grab the footage and do one. Make sure the footage is good quality. Tinty, terrible sound, or from a distance on a phone doesn't work. Invest in your show reel because you will get a return on it. If we can help you with that, reach out.